6:57 a.m. Salesforce.com CRM had made a high to 145, and we had a limit to sell short at 144.9. Now, as we go through the climactic of a top, and we can use Apple as an example. When Apple hit 547, that was a climactic top and a reversal to 541. What we're looking in is how that short works right here at the high and has to come down one teeny, two teeny, three teenies back down here in the middle of the range. And what we're going to do is that based on this half bar support level, we're going to have a stop market in order. Now, we did take out a lot of the risk, but we still have a lot of the risk because it's in the process of a climactic top that could take, 15 minutes. But what we look for is how the last prints are 145 at that top, at that resistance level. Narrow range. There isn't a lot, but it was a climactic top intraday, less than 30 minutes on the opening bell. Getting long down here, we featured buying at that support level. That support level is taking it to the intraday range high. And we got to break the half bar, Brian Plain. What's your limit order? To cover in case it... I'm just going to have to show this price line entry with Brian Plain. Mr. Sebastian buying down here at the low. There's still risk, but that is a low. And it's bouncing up and down and right here at that teeny line. That's the entry. The short was all the way down here, the buy to cover. And once again, we want to define support level MMT. And part of this lower part is in the brain, Mr. Sebastian, is that the IR must go higher in value, Maryland, and Sebastian, Mr. Plain. When you come off the bottom, you got to get above these diamonds like you are seeing right now. There you go. And I just want to tell everyone, even with the newest person with the littlest experience is the one that found this bottom. Brand new MMT. And you've been given a glory, and this has got to go above that 35 handle. Now, what happens in these kinds of bottoms when you're buying down here at support, that was support. We defined it with the entry. We have a 0.31. Now, for this to go higher and build, you want to take out that second diamond in the MMT platform. Second diamond in the MMT platform. Now, let's get back over to our other trade that we were doing, that short sell on CRM on the highs. And how did CRM play out as well? We can see here that short on CRM came right here. And this is where it too, like Priceline, is getting above that diamond. This is a CRM short. Buy to cover, that's the support level. Buy to cover and go long. Buy to cover at support and go long. That's at CRM. Once again, identifying the resistance, coming back to support. When it comes back up here on CRM and tests these diamonds, that's where I'm going to look at getting short. So as I run back up to the diamond resistance levels in the MMT platform, let's go ahead and blow that up. How wonderful it is to sell those tops using the MMT platform. How nice to get out at the bottom and go long, and then selling short back up here, selling short back up there. The entry on, and that's the follow-up on the CRM, the price line entry is working quite well. And you can see, Mr. Sebastian, that if this goes lower, you can see why we're going higher. See how my current trend ratio at -4, we bought it at -0.5. Mr. Sebastian is now -0.016, and we got that bottom entry, thanks to you, that is. A ding-a-ding-a-ding. Let's ring that cash register. Let's ring it. No, I didn't say come out, but what I do say is this is how you ring the cash register. You will come out into that 10-minute period moving average resistance level is what you will do. So go up to the teeny line. You've gotten a what? $4 move off the bottom, for crying out loud? Yeah, well you got $3. You're what? 9 pennies off of the bottom. So I tell you what, as we run up to the wall of resistance in the price line, we will go up to the 10-minute period moving average. That's going to be, there it is. That's where I'm selling, getting off board. Honk, honk, honk. Here I'm cashing in. What am I doing? Ka-ching. Here it is. Say ka-ching. I'm selling into it. Ka-ching again. Very good trade, everybody. Very good, Mr. Sebastian. That's how you buy support. That's how you sell into resistance. And that execution is finalized.